I mean, it comes from the lowland forest in South America. I mean, and by the way, if you read through my book, I mean, Tabasco, the chilies that they use in Tabasco are basically, let's see, capsicum. I'm trying to remember. Chinese, it basically means Chinese, but that's a stupid name to give it was. Some of those scientific names are absolutely ridiculous. Or tens, and both of those are like, they're related to habanero. So Tabasco is habanero, basically. It is. And it's funny, why I see Tabasco habanero sauce, I'm like, oh, well, that's,
redundant.
they're saying the same thing, like doubly. It's kind of fascinating. But habaneros work just fine. You'll see different types of peppers. There's a couple on the coast, that are yellow, like a mochero, and then there's also another one that's orange, and these are really hot, super hot.
There's so many different peppers in the world. I probably find a new pepper every day if we were looking.
Right, and the shame is that Mexico is really good about recording peppers and where they're from and, different uses. Peru's behind on that because they have so many unique things and they just haven't I haven't seen a really good in-depth study.
Well, maybe the next book.
Yeah, I'd like to work with a botanist, though, to do that.
All about the peppers. Peruvian peppers. Title.
Yeah, well, there's basically four types. There's the fructans, the chinese, the capsicum, bactum, which is ají amarillo, and then there's the pubescens, which is rocoto. Have you seen a rocoto pepper?
No.
They call them manzanos in Mexico, but they come from Peru. It's like a bell pepper, and they're red and green and yellow. They're about half the size of a good-sized bell pepper, but they're hot, and they're incredible. And they actually do grow in the cold pretty well. So you'll see them all throughout Cusco and in the highlands.
Like up into the mountains, on the way up to the mountains.
Yeah. They can survive frosts and everything. I can't grow them here. It's too hot. And it's also, they do a little bit better at altitude. So, but you can buy them here. Every once in a while, you get them from Mexico.
Nice.
Hey, would you like to win a free copy of Eating in Peru? Go to the On the Check YouTube page with Sean Parker. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on the podcast Eating Peru. The first 100 subscribers to comment are entered to win. Go get it.